Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. Neither Ali, Ete, Ahmed was present at the meeting. Correct answer is option A. Question 2. I have 2 pens. One is blue. Ak is black. Correct answer is option C. Question 3. They whack each other for a long time. Correct answer is option C. Question 4. The baby is crying because it is wasserk. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. By this time tomorrow, I back out my work. Correct answer is option C. Question 6. She usually wake up early in the morning. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. They sack sets in Lahore since 2015. Correct answer is option C. Question 8. The opposite of hot is nasor. Correct answer is option B. Question 9. We eyes a new car last month. Correct answer is option D. Question 10. She sings more than her sister. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. The train, at 5 o'clock yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 12. If I contact you, I would take this job. Correct answer is option C. Question 13. We nazabas our homework before dinner. Correct answer is option A. Question 14. The opposite of big is... Correct answer is option C. Question 15. If you study, you hollers pass the exam. Correct answer is option A.